Let me give an example how enterprise adapt responsible AI. Firstly, let me talk about how Microsoft applied responsible AI at Microsoft. So Microsoft has 6 principles that encourage the responsible AI at the Microsoft. The first one we call the fairness. The second one is inclusiveness. The third one is reliability and safety. The fourth one is privacy and security, transparency and accountabilities. As you can see, the 6 principles related to the ethics that UNESCO recommendation. So let me explain what is the meaning of for each one and give you example. So the first one, fairness and inclusiveness. That means if you are the builders and you want to build a model, for the fairness, you need to remove the bias before you build the models. Even if you build a model, for example, the model that give the vaccine to the people in the country of Thailand, right? You need to be fair and you need to be inclusive, not only to give the vaccine into only Bangkok area, but to distribute to overall Thailand country. So your model that you build need to be fair and inclusive for everyone as well. For the reliability and safety, is so once you build the model or you win the platform that have the intelligence on top of that, you need to be reliable. For example, if you build the, let's say the autonomous car, it need to be reliable. It need to test for the safety and reliable. If you predict something, it need to be have a high quality for the prediction as well. Or even not only to Microsoft, but let's say if like a hospital, reliability require the high accuracy as well. The next one we call the transparencies. As we already discussed for the transparency of the AI many times, so it's about explainabilities or it's about the explain what is the source of the data, how you build the data, what is the process that you build the AI. Because when you build AI and you don't know what is the inside or what is the way that how develop the AI, you lack of the trust to use AI. However, if you use a black box AI, they also have some transparency or they also have some evaluation and measurements to evaluate if it's a right qualities for the right use case or not as well. The other 3 principle is privacy and security. Privacy that means you can use the data, the private data to train a model or to use for some use case, but you need to use only the one that you need. And once you need the data, the privacy data, you need to delete it. You should not keep all the privacy data unsecure. And for the security AI is also important. For example, if someone want to attack your system, your AI system, or use a prompt injection, you need to make the AI system safe. And last but not least is accountabilities. That means you need to responsible not only for the result from the AI, but also all the way from the development and deployment during the AI development lifecycle. For example, not only for Microsoft, but if you are the restaurant, you use AI to deliver the food, right? But and then the robot or the AI deliver the food to the wrong tables. So you need to accountable for that as well as the owner of the AI and as a accountability for using the AI. So this is kind of the basic that AI principle at the Microsoft that responsible not only for the consumer, not only for the usage, but also responsible for AI development. We also have the other examples like Google or IBM or any enterprise that also have AI principle which similar to the Microsoft or to the UNESCO because it's like for the society and for the goodwill. So let me give you example at the responsible AI or AI principle at Google. The first one they call the bold innovations. That means they can do innovation, they can do AI innovations but they need to be proactive and responsible. The second thing they said responsible development and deployment. That means it's not innovate something using AI, but on the way to develop the AI and to deploy the AI, they need to be responsible as well. For development, that means from the source, which is data, from the model that they select, and also for evaluate the quality of the model. For the responsible deployment, that means once you deploy the model, let's say in production or in public use, you need to monitor the performance. If the model predict it wrong in a few times, you need to stop using it and then bring it back to get more improvement. That means responsible deployments. The last thing that Google have in their AI principle is collaborative progress and together. That means AI improve very fast. People may uh, need to get up to speed to learn. So what Google recommend is to collaborate together or to learn together. Right now, we should not leave no one behind to learn for the AI, and also need to learn together to learn faster as well. So that is a basic of the Google or Microsoft AI principle. But let's come back to the, let's say, the sample of the KBTG, which we also have the AI principle as well. So let me explain our AI principle and compare with the others. The first one, we use human first AI. That means we develop an AI around the humans or the human first. We will not build AI to totally replace the humans. We develop AI to support the human to make better decisions. The second thing, because since we are the tech company, we want to focus on agile and experiment AI. That means we allow people to experiment AI in the agile, in the innovative way. But you can try, you can learn, but once you try and you learn from your mistake or even as you success, you need to come back and share to the others. That's what the second principle that we have. The third one we call trustworthy AI. That means once we need to build any AI product or any AI solution, it needs to be trustworthy. That means it's safe, trusted, and also secure. So all of this is the basic for the trustworthy AI and will not create a new risk. Lastly, we want to build a sustainable AI. That means we build one AI but it's not harm to the others or it create any technical debt to the others. That's the fourth one that we have in our company, AI principle, which is sustainable AI. As you can see, all the principle or the responsible AI that each enterprise practice, it comes from the ethics, it comes from the responsibilities. So if you are the enterprise, you should start with your principle as well. So everyone can follow the principle and then do the next step to get to the responsible AI enterprise as well as a responsible AI ecosystem. The summary of the Module 1. Understand responsible AI, fundamental, risk, and impact. What we discussed, we have 6 key points. The first one is AI has shifted to the age of intelligence. The impact daily everyone's life, work, and also the society. The second one, we understand the different types of AI. Start with predictive AI and generative AI, including the new one called agentic AI. Machine learning, deep learning, and all the AI techniques can make the mistake. Humans must correct and supervise and guide them to be utilized for the meaningful way. We also understand the role in the age of AI, which include the users, consumer, builder, and the researcher. Also, what we aim for is to be the responsible AI consumer, responsible AI builder, and also responsible and ethical AI researcher. Responsible AI emerged from ethics, principle, policy, global practice, and also enterprise as well as a society. And the last one, we also understand the responsible AI standard from the global perspective, regional perspective, and also enterprise, which all in all, the responsible AI ecosystem in our age of AI.